It is our fourth annual ThanksGrilling event. We're here at Outdoor Elegance in Laverne. Our buddy who's been here every single one is Chef Chris Gendreau from Chase's here in Laverne. Thank you, buddy.
Thank you, Will.
Today I'm making stuffing sausage roundettes.
I love that.
This is a way to use your stuffing afterwards. Just look at that bowl of stuffing in your refrigerator afterwards. What am I going to do with that? Well, we just put some ground bacon and some sausage that we had the butcher shop make. It's got some cranberries and sage in it. Into a bowl with some shredded cheddar cheese.
And mix it all together.
I like the way you think. What if we added some sausage, some bacon, and some cheese? Okay, I'm listening.
And then smoke it on the Memphis.
There they are.
Look
on
at
the
that,
grill.
how gorgeous that is. And this gives you a killer reason to utilize your leftovers or even to create something different for the holidays.